Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Uber account. To log into Uber, first of all, make sure that you download and open up the Uber application on your device. This process will work for any devices such as Android or iOS, so make sure to follow along. Download and open up the Uber app on your device, and once you get to this first interface, click on Get Started at the bottom. On the next page, to log into your existing account, you can go ahead and enter your phone number or choose to continue logging in with email. I'm just going to choose the email option. Now, enter your email address associated with your Uber account and click Next. On the next page, you'll receive a 4-digit verification code sent to you via email, or if you've chosen phone number, you'll receive it via SMS. Simply go ahead and look for the code in your SMS app or your email and type in the code that you received. You'll also be receiving an SMS with 4 digits Uber code. Make sure to type it down as well. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to sign into your Uber account. You'll arrive at the home screen of Uber app where you can request a ride quickly and easily. So that's how you easily sign into your Uber account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.